I'm just taking up the slack, so just tell me when the slack's taking up, I can't see.
Doesn't want to jerk.
Just nice and slow to take the slack up.
Is that the one's going to jerk and pull him over?
Okay, mate, taking up now.
Nice and easy. Keep the tension on that strap. No, the other strap. Just
Tell Muzz to go.
nice and easy, go forward.
Okay, so are we ready to go?
Yeah, go.
Mate. Tell me when you're in that rod.
Sit.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Let go of that run. Stop. Keep your foot on the brake. Come back a bit, take one of those straps off. Make sure your foot's on that brake.
Yeah.
Like run it through, like a hoop, so both hoops come this end. Otherwise it's going to be too close to the slippery shit. Come back a bit in a second. But hold up. It's really slow. Alright, nice and slow back.
Nice and slow. That's it. Nice and slow.
Keep it coming.
Straighten your wheels up.
Go your right hand down there, Muzz.
Are they straight?
Yeah, that's pretty straight there. I'd even go a little bit right hand down. Yeah, that's it. Just to keep you away from that slope there. That's it, yep, that's it.
Is out there?
Yeah, that's it, yep.
So we're just going to do another pull, are we?
Yep. He's got one
so
more.
He's in the rut now?
He's in the ruts.
Okay.
So he's in the, so you just can't get traction, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wait.
Ready when you are, mate.
Hang on, Michelle's just coming up. Yep.
Yeah, you ready, man? Yeah, ready, mate. Okay, go.
That's it. He's up.
Bit more.
Your fault, you know.
Hey?
Your fault.
Yeah, I know.
Getting
Yeah.
touchier.